Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. You're listening to Easy Listening English.
This is where you learn English just by listening. No pressure, no textbooks, just real conversations.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Ryan. So, how are you feeling today, Anna?
Honestly, pretty normal. Not great, not bad, just okay.
That's actually very relatable.
Yeah, some days aren't special. They're just days.
And that's real-life English already.
Exactly. Before we start, quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English this way, please subscribe to Easy Listening English.
And if this feels helpful, hit like. You can also leave a comment. It really helps us grow.
All right, today we're talking about something very important.
Daily conversations you must know.
Not textbook English, not exam English, but English people use every day.
Let's start with mornings.
Yeah, morning conversations are usually very simple.
Good morning.
Or just, morning.
How did you sleep?
Not great, pretty well, could be better.
Or, I didn't get much sleep.
Now imagine coworkers in the morning.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, you?
Can't complain.
That's it. No long story.
Now let's talk about starting the day.
I need coffee.
I haven't had my coffee yet.
I'm not fully awake.
Very common.
Now daily work talk.
What are you working on today?
I've got a few things to do.
I'm pretty busy today.
I've got a lot on my plate.
Now stress.
I'm stressed.
I'm feeling overwhelmed.
I've got a lot going on.
Now reassurance.
It'll be fine.
We'll figure it out.
Now small natural dialogue.
Hey Anna, how's your morning been?
Pretty busy. I barely had time to sit down.
Yeah, same here.
I feel like the day just started and I'm already tired.
That happens a lot.
All right, let's keep going.
Now let's move into afternoon conversations.
This is when people usually talk about being tired.
I'm getting tired.
I'm losing focus.
I need a break.
Very normal.
Now food conversations.
What do you want for lunch?
I'm not sure.
I'm open to anything.
I don't really mind.
Now hunger.
I'm starving.
I could eat.
I haven't eaten all day.
Now deciding.
Let's grab something quick.
That works for me.
Sounds good.
Now casual complaints.
I'm exhausted.
It's been a long day.
I'm drained.
Now encouragement again.
Hang in there.
Almost done.
Now natural dialogue.
Hey Ryan, did you eat already?
Not yet. I've been swamped.
Same. I'm starving.
Let's grab something later.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Now let's talk about evening conversations.
After work, after school.
How was your day?
Long. Busy. Not too bad.
I'm glad it's over.
I'm ready to relax.
Now plans.
What are you doing tonight?
Not much.
I'm just staying in.
I might watch something.
Now declining invitations.
I'm too tired.
I think I'll stay home.
Maybe another time.
Now casual emotions.
I feel relieved.
I'm finally done.
I can relax now.
Dialogue again.
Hey Anna, any plans tonight?
Not really. I'm pretty worn out.
Same. I think I'll just relax.
That sounds perfect.
Now let's talk about weekends.
People speak more casually.
What are you up to this weekend?
Not much.
I'm just taking it easy.
I need some rest.
Now making plans.
Do you want to hang out?
Do you want to catch up?
Maybe we can grab coffee.
Now uncertainty.
I'm not sure yet.
I'll see.
I'll let you know.
Now a small disagreement.
I'm not really in the mood.
That's fair.
Dialogue again.
Hey, do you want to do something this weekend?
Honestly, I just want to rest.
Yeah, I get that. Daily conversations are simple.
But they repeat every day.
That's why listening matters.
You don't need perfect English.
You need familiar English.
English that feels normal.
Before we finish,
If you're enjoying this, please subscribe to Easy Listening English.
like the video if it helps you relax while learning.
And leave a comment. Tell us where you're listening from.
Thanks for spending time with us.
We'll be back with more daily conversations.
Until next time.
Take care and keep listening.